All right. Video. Does it say it's recording on your screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, now it says it on mine. Okay. The question is 2 and 9/45 plus addition 11 and 3/5. Make sure you simplify. If you can't simplify, first step, find the common denominator. What's the common denominator between 45 and 5? Do not show me your board until I ask. Do not put the answer in the chat. Give everyone a chance to do it. Dun, 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 dun. What? Change this? You can reduce it. All right. Let's give it a try. Okay, for some reason, Mia is still having a problem. So, Ethan, where are you at on my screen? Ethan, next problem. Have Mia come sit kind of by you, but not by you or something. Or someone else try to send her an invite. 2 other people have already sent her an invite. I'm not sure. Someone show her the problem we were doing in Miss Acidic's class. Or tell Mia to come here so I can look at her computer. I don't know. All right. So, first thing we have to do is find a common denominator. So, common denominator between 45 and 5. So, let's count by 45s. 45, 90. That's a pretty high. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh look, 45. Our common denominator is 45. So we do not have to change 2 and 9/45. That stays the same.
You told me that thanks, and I have to send it to you. So.
Okay, I'm so confused. Are we on? Are we not on? Why is she sending you thanks if it didn't work? Mia, don't tell people thank you for the link if it didn't work. All right, let me get through this problem real quick, Mia. Hold on. All right, so now we have to need this to be 45. How many times do we multiply 5 to get to 45? 9 times. Oh my, hey, send it to Haley Summers, please. Why did she wait 10 minutes to tell anyone? So that'd be 45. 9 times 3 is 27, right? So we now have 2 and 9/45 plus 11 and 27/45. 27 plus 9 is 36 over 45. 2 plus 11 is 13. But are we done? Anyone? Do we know? Are we done? Are we not done? Jaden? Tell me what I can do.
You can simplify.
I can simplify. And you're like, Miss Kneippel, what can we simplify? Not by 2. Guess what? 3 goes into both of these. So if we divide both of those by 3, we would get 13 over 12. And okay, someone's sending you the link, Haley. You didn't need to come over here. Yours isn't. Try, see if you got it. Well, stay. Okay, which would be 15. And then we can divide by 3 again, which would be 4/5. So your answer should be 13 4/5. You got it? Cool. Yeah, so you could have done it by 9. Jaden was smarter than me, and he did it by 9. And can I see your computer, please, Mia? He did it by 9 and said I did it by 3. Because 3 was the first number I thought of. Don't ask me why 3 was the first number I thought of. But so your answer should have been 13 4/5. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. Okay, so what wasn't working? Was it just loading, or it actually said it won't work? Mia. I just asked you a question.
Oh, no, it's not loading. Like when I go on it, it makes that noise as if it's not working.
This happened to someone the other day. Yeah, 7 to 8 the other day. All right, good job, guys. You may erase. We are going to get another problem in 1 second. Yeah, I want you to, because it isn't working for me either. I want you to close out, like completely shut it down and open it back up. And if it still doesn't work, just try to maybe go sit somewhere where you can see someone's screen, like Ethan's, like sit maybe a little bit behind him or something so you can see his screen, because it is not loading for me either. I don't know what the problem is, okay? So it's not a big deal. Just if you shut down and get back on, if it doesn't work, try to have someone show you their board, the problem, or sit behind someone, okay? I don't know what the problem is. This did happen to Ava the other day too, though. Crazy. All right. It's okay, though, we'll figure it out. All right. New problem. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Don't mind us. Technical difficulties of the day. All right. Subtraction now. Okay. We have 15 2/12 minus 11 2/3. This is subtraction. First step, finding the common denominator. Yeah, none of her links were working, Jameson. I tried a few different ones. It just won't let her load. I don't know why. So she's going to try to shut down for us. Thank you for trying if you did send her a link. I'm just not sure what's up with hers. Right now you are trying to solve the problem. 15 2/12 minus 11 2/3. Find your common denominator between 12 and 3. Oh, she joined. Oh, good. I'm going to give you about 1 more minute. Hello? Yeah? Zach, why aren't you in Math RTI? Huh? Why aren't you in Math RTI? That is what everyone is doing right now, and you're not there. You have like a Zoom going on? I mean, whatever, Google Meet. Yeah. Okay, well, he's going to be joining right now. Okay, bye. Zach, you have to get on the Google Meet. You have a Google Meet. All right, let's give it a try. We've only done like 1 question, Mia, so it's not a big deal. Okay, we did a few. It doesn't matter, Mia. It's fine. All right. So many issues today. All right. So the first thing I have to do is find my common denominator between 12 and 3. So I'm going to count by 12. 12, 24. I'm going to count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So do I need to change 15 and 2/12? No, because my common denominator is 12, so it's 11. Something with 12. How many times do we multiply 3 to get to 12? 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I have to subtract. Can I subtract 8 from 2? No. So I have to borrow from this whole number. 15 becomes 14. A whole is 12 over 12. So I'm adding 12 over 12 to this, which now equals 14 and 14/12. Okay? Can we do 14 minus 8? Yes, which is 6 over 12. 14 minus 11 is 3. So, what? Yeah. So now I have 3 and 6/12. Am I done? No, I can simplify. 6 goes into itself one time and it goes into 12 twice. So your answer should be 3 and 1/2. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. All right, so Jaden, it looks like you simplified, but you could have simplified again. Make sure you go as low as possible. I'm not seeing everyone's boards. I need to see Evan's, Logan's, Landon's. Okay, Ethan, so remember you borrowed from the 15, so it turned to 14. So then it was 14 minus 11, not 15 minus 11, which is why it was 3, not 4. Okay, cool. No problem. Most of us, it looked like most of us got that right, so that's a plus. The answer was 3.5, Isabella. All right, we're going to do another subtraction. Dun, 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 dun. 22 and 4/5 minus 3 and 3/4. Dun, 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 dun. $22 and 4/5 minus 3 and 3/4. Paisley, look alive, girlfriend. Remember, first thing first, you're finding the common denominator between 4 and 5. It looks like some of us are done writing, so I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds, and then we're going to go over the problem. Landon, what are you doing? Why do you have a sticky note out? We should be working on a dry erase board. Okay, well, let's focus. We're not writing things on sticky notes right now, bud. All right, let's give it a try. We need to find a common denominator between 5 and 4. So what am I going to do? I'm going to count by 5s, and I'm going to count by 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh, look, my common denominator is 20. Yay. So I have to change my fraction on both of them. So I want my denominator to be 20. How many times do I multiply 5 to get to 20? Okay, well, I apologize. I didn't say least, but I mean the least common denominator. As you can see, I just found the least common denominator. There isn't another one that there's not. I found the least one, okay? I just didn't say the word least. Anyways, to get to 20, you have to multiply it 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. So now we have 22 and 16/20ths. 4 to get to 20 is 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 22 and 16/20ths minus 3 and 15/20ths. 16 minus 15 is 1/20. 22 minus 3 is 19. Your answer should be 19 and 1/20. Evan, let me see your board. Oh, you completely lost me. The least common denominator is 20. I don't even see that on your board. One of your denominators is 21 and one of them is 20. You need to stay organized. Well, I'm letting you know you need to stay organized. Because this problem... What? Okay, well, how could 5 times something equal the same as 4 times something both to get to 20? They both wouldn't be 20. 5 times 4, or 4 times 4 is 16. It is not 20. Yes, I'm looking at your board. All right, let's try another subtraction problem because I feel like you guys are better at addition than subtraction. Let's fit in at least one more problem, hopefully. It looked like some of us got that one right. Well, actually, a lot of us did. Okay, give this one a try. 11 and 1/18. Angelina, do you have a question?
No, when I said okay in the chat, I was trying to put under there. Sorry, I was trying to see something with my with the chat. Sorry.
11 and 1/18 minus 2 and 3/6. Find your least common denominator between 18 and 6. Evan, write it out like I always tell you. Count by 18, count by 6.
Can you move the board up some?
Oh, and is there a reason you're tapping like that? Evan, let me see your board right now. Three times something will never equal 18, or will never equal 10. 3 will never be 10. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 can never be 10. Why do you have 10 over 18 then? Okay, so where's what you multiplied by 3 by? You skipped a step. If someone was grading your work, you wouldn't be getting all the points on your work because you're not putting all your work down. It's important to have your work, that way you can find your mistakes. If people can't see where you made your mistakes, we're never going to figure out where you made mistakes. All right. First, we're going to count by 18, and then we're going to count by 6. Counting by 18, it would be 18, 32, right? Yeah. Right? Or is it 36? I lied. It's 36. Sorry. Let's count by 6, 12, 18. Oh, look, my common denominator is 18. 11 and 1/18 can stay just the same, but I need to change my second fraction, which is 2 over 18. How many times do we multiply 6 to get to 18? 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Can I take 9 away from 1? No, I cannot. So I'm going to borrow from this little guy. My 11 is going to become 10. A whole is plus 18 over 18. So now I have 10 and 19 18ths, okay? 19 minus 9 is 10 over 18. 10 minus 2 is 8. Am I done? No, I can simplify by 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 18 9 times. My answer is 8 and 5 ninths. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. All right, does anyone have any questions today? It looks like for the most part, lots of us got the right answer. If you didn't get the right answer, do you know where you went wrong? Most times it's tiny little like subtraction and addition errors, which is why it's important to slow down. Don't forget, we can always try to simplify. If you don't simplify, then you don't get the right answer. We do have Math RTI tomorrow, and once we are next week, when we're on green, we have it every day because we don't have that e-learning. So we're going to start having Math RTI every day instead of just 4 days a week, which is good for us because we need more math in our lives. All right. Thank you, guys. This will be posted, of course. So long. Goodbye.
Miss Kneifel.
Yes.
Well, what you were saying with the math thing the other day, like when we were at dinner at the dinner table, my mom and my dad were talking, and I might get to come to school for the last quarter.
Oh, that would be cool.
Yep. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye, guys. All right.